With Cine-Q's off-the-shelf connector, you can now easily set up a two-way integration between Cine-Q and Mailchimp. Once the integration is set up and you build your trigger campaign in both systems, then subscriber activity in Mailchimp will call Cine-Q's webhook. If segmentation rules in your Cine-Q trigger campaign is met, then Cine-Q will generate a unique URL for each campaign member containing the links to their personalized videos. The unique URLs are automatically sent to Mailchimp, which triggers your Mailchimp campaign execution. Once your audience receives their emails, they can click on their unique URLs, which take them to a landing page hosting their personalized videos. The videos can also contain personalized CTAs according to your requirements. We prepared a step-by-step video showing you exactly how this is set up. If you haven't watched it, then I encourage you to do so by clicking on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.